Next section, the experience of emotions. A summary of studies that have imaged the experience of emotion, anger, sadness, fear, disgust, and happiness, and core affective feelings, pleasant and unpleasant affects, in normal participants using a number of different indication techniques: visual, auditory, olfactory, imagery, and memory, has produced a summary. Also, the influence of emotions upon judgment and decision making beyond balance or approach to avoidance reactions. Specific emotions can have specific effects. Theories on the experience of emotions. First theory, ancient Greece and Middle Ages. In ancient Greece and ancient China, in the later it was believed that excess emotions caused damage to IQ, which in turn damages the vital organs. Second theory, somatic theories. Bodily responses rather than cognitive interpretations are essential to emotions. 3. Cognitive theories. The cognitive activity in the form of judgments, evaluations, or thoughts was entirely necessary for an emotion to occur. 4. Perceptual theory. The theories dealing with perception either use one or multiples perceptions in order to find an emotion. 5. Affective events theory. This is a communication based theory developed by Howard and Russell. Emotion due to structures and consequences. 6. Philosophical theories of emotion. Emotions are typically, but not always, manifested in desires. They are distinct from moods, but modified by them. They are repeated to be antagonists of rationality, but also they play an indispensable role in determining quality of life. 7. Lazarus theory. Process of emotion. First, cognitive appraisal. Assess the event cognitively which cause the emotion. 2. Physiological changes. Biological changes such as increased heart rate or pituitary adrenal response. 3. Action. The individual feels the emotion. 8. Evolutionary theories. In 19th century, Charles Darwin's book, The Expression of the Emotions in Man and Animals, Darwin argued that emotions actually served a purpose for humans in communication and also in aiding their survival. Morality and emotions. The complexity of emotions and their role in mental life is reflected in the unsettled place they have held in the history of ethics. Often they have been regarded as a dangerous threat to morality and rationality. In the romantic tradition, on the contrary, passions have been placed at the center both of human individuality and of the moral life. Sociology of emotions. We try to regulate our emotions to fit in with the norms of the situation. The emotions of anger is in many cultures discouraged in girls and women, while fear discouraged in boys and men. Expectations attached to social roles. Thank you. Have a good day.